Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into an interesting problem that some of you may have encountered when working with structure bindings in C++20. We'll explore a particular issue that arises when using structure bindings within a class and accessing private members. So let's get into it and unravel this problem step by step. Now, let's talk about the solution to the problem we just discussed. The key lies in understanding that the C++ committee can apply fixes retroactively to already published standard revisions. In the case of structured bindings in C++17, there were indeed some limitations, such as not being able to use storage specifiers or accessing private members within a class. However, thanks to defect reports like P1091R3 and P0969R0, these issues were addressed and implemented retroactively onto C++17. This explains why newer versions of compilers, like GCC 1.3.3.0, may behave differently compared to older versions like GCC 7.1. In summary, we've explored how structured bindings in C++20 have evolved since their introduction in C++17. By understanding how retroactive fixes can change the behavior of code within the same standard version, we gain insight into the dynamic nature of language development. I hope this video helped clarify any confusion about structure bindings in C++, and as always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!